Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm on board a lightly used 2019 XT23 that we sold brand new. It was a garage kept trailer boat. This customer upgraded to a newer, larger Mastercraft. And this boat is loaded out. Cool feel upholstery, S80 Klipsch tower speakers, clamping swivel board racks. It's got the Z4 tower that folds, 7-inch screen upgrade with presets. Also got the premium stereo upgrade. Literally all the options you get on the boat. I don't think I could find a nick or a scratch on this thing. It's in immaculate condition. Customer tinted his windows. Got the Decadence flooring, LED lights, flip up transom rear seating, removable ski pylon, transom walk-through. Just an absolute beautiful boat. You got to come up here and check it out. We don't get any boats like this hardly ever in on trade. We can be reached at 864-236-9005. Thank you.